Benefits of multiple income funnel and why you should have it. Let me show you the benefits of having multiple income funnel. First of all, it says go to here to start here. If you go here and you click on links, it shows you all the each capture page is attached to a link. That's, I guess, why they call them links. I don't know. But anyways, there's a whole bunch of them, and you can use one or more depending on where you're. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Then if you go back into it again, you can see all the training that's included with this system. First of all, you get your weekly training calls. Then you get your marketing system training, which is really something that you should take a look at. I mean, you don't have to do these all at once. You can do one or two or whatever you have time for, and just improve your marketing. Then you go back into the training again, and then you got the 7-step training. Now, this is one that you should do before you get started, so that you get started on the right track. First of all, you have lesson 1, which is basically means work on your personality. Then you have lesson 2, which shows you where and how to get traffic. Then you have lesson 3, which shows you how to do your follow-up. Then you have lesson 4, which shows you how to do YouTube ads. Then you have lesson 5, which shows you how to do Facebook ads. Then you have lesson 6, which shows you how to block some time for this. You don't need much time, but you do need some. I mean, it's not going to run out by itself. Then you got lesson 7. There's a bunch more bonuses in there you want to take a look at once you get in there. Then you exit the training, and you go in there. Well, if you go there, it shows you your teams, and if you go in here, shows you all of the leads you get once you start advertising, and you get an email with each lead. So be sure and follow up. I mean, the company follows up, but they want to hear from you, and you got the emails right there. So just follow up. Then you go into the leader, shows you who's all in leaderboard. Then you go resources. Now first of all, you get email swipes. These are emails that you can follow up with them, or you can use your own. It depends on you, whatever you want to do. But be sure to follow up, because they want to hear from you before they'll join. Then you got banners that you can use for your advertising. All the different banners you can use depending where you want to advertise. A whole bunch of them in here. Then you go back in here, and now you want to have social media marketing images. These you can use in your social marketing. A few different ones in there too. Then you go in there, Facebook posts. I guess shows you how to do Facebook posts. Then you got traffic, which is okay. I'll get to that later. Okay, now that's all. Now let's say that you want to learn more about it. You go in there, back into training again, and you go to step 1. This Matt shows you all about the system and how to get started. And right now it's usually $97, but right now they got a special for $49, and they do have a yearly plan that's available, which is $350. That's the route I went, because you do save some money, and you don't have to worry about it a whole year, and you do make more commission. So then you have step 2 and step 3. If you don't have any of your own opportunities, you can use these, and you can use the ones I got. They're both under $10 each, and they're both very good opportunities. Then you've got step 4, which is your back office, and also Traffic Authority, where you can get great leads. They've been in business for over 10 years, so you get good leads there. And the price depends on, if you get a bigger batch, it's cheaper per lead. And so it's entirely up to you. You can use them or use some other. It's whatever you want. And I forgot to tell you, these guys in this funnel's been in business for over 4 years, so also everything is a legitimate company here. And then I also have your bonus income, which I also use to get more leads. I mean, it costs you $1 a day, and you get 100 leads for $1. And at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody in under that, you get another 100 leads a day. So you could have 6,000 leads by the end of the month. And there's also a little commission if you get somebody in. And it also includes emailing them every day. So that's what I do. And that's all included for that low price of $1 a day. So it's just amazing. So you want to be sure and look at that when you go in there. Okay, I don't know what else I should be telling you here because they pretty well covered everything. But like if you want to get started, I told you all the costs and what you click on here to get. And I'm also going to put a link under the video, which you can use to watch Matt do the presentation. And at the same link, you can join. So, and I'm also going to put my contact information under there if you want to contact me and get some questions answered. And also be sure to give my video a like, and hopefully you'll join, and also join my I always forget what to join my YouTube channel. And I hope you guys are having great weather. We've had the most fantastic winter ever in history, so I don't know how it is for you guys, but hope it's pretty good there too. So I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So we'll talk to you another time. I hope you have a great weekend.